everyone and welcome to this module on the plumbing trade. In today's video, we are going to demonstrate an inspection chamber, a manhole and a gully trap. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to demonstrate an inspection chamber, demonstrate a manhole and demonstrate a gully trap. For this, the required materials and tools are measuring tape 1, spade 1, pickaxe 1, mortar pan 1, trowel 1, spirit level 1, plumb bob 1, straight edge 1, tube level 1, crowbar 1, cement as required, brick as required, brick bats as required, aggregate as required, river fine sand as required, CI frame with cover as required, lime powder as required. Let us lay out and build a half brick thick corner wall or stretcher for the inspection chamber. Assemble the material in the work area. Set the mortar pan approximately 1 meter from the wall to provide sufficient working space. Lay out the L corner on the floor using the steel square and pencil or chalk. Extend the line little longer than the actual corner measures using chalk. Lay out the first course of dry bond keeping the head joint uniform about 10 mm using the forefinger. Remove the corner brick or brick number 1. Spread the mortar and relay without moving the bricks in between. Remove the end brick or brick number 2 and spread the mortar. Level and plumb brick number 1 and brick number 2 and straighten the edge with a plumb rule. Lay brick number 3 using a level plumb and straighten the edge with brick number 1. Remove excess mortar from each course. All the joints should be of uniform thickness. Check the corner for squareness after laying the first course of brick. Check the second course for level. Take sufficient mortar and spread it to form a bed and lay 3 or 4 bricks. Spread the mortar along the bed using a trowel. Lay the mortar in the center of the bed area. Continue this method till the work is complete. Remove the excess cement mortar from the external and internal surface of the wall. Lay the corner brick. Use the trowel to tap it in place. Reading of the drawing according to the work spot. Excavate for the inspection chamber as per the drawing dimension and level. Lay the concrete as per the drawing. Construct brickwork with 75 bricks in the cement mortar ratio of 1:4. Smoothen the internal wall. Join the pipe with the brickwork to ensure there is no leak. Block the pipe to prevent entry of any foreign material. Plaster the inside walls with a 12 mm thick cement plaster, cement to coarse sand ratio of 1:3. Provide channel and benching with cement concrete 1:2:4 aggregate 20 mm normal size. Smoothen with cement. The depth of the channel and benching should be as per the drawing. Provide centering for the top cover. Fabricate and fix the reinforcement for the cover. Fix cast iron over the frame. Fix the top cover. Cure the work and remove centering. Our next task is to construct a gully chamber. By the end of this exercise, you will be able to draw, read and mark the area, excavate and lay concrete cement, install the gully trap and wall providing, plaster the wall and fix the CI light duty cover. Excavate for the gully trap as per the dimensions and levels. Lay the concrete as per the drawing. Check the quality of the gully trap. Place the gully trap in level. Connect the gully outlet to the branch drain and test the gully and branch drain. Construct a 1.15 mm thick brick masonry chamber 300 into 300 mm inside a round gully trap from the top of the bed concrete up to the ground level. Fill the gap between the chamber walls and trap with cement concrete. Plaster the upper portion of the chamber above the top level of the trap with a cement mortar ratio of 1:3. Finish the plaster area with a floating coat of neat cement. Round off the corners and bottom of the chamber so as to slope towards the grating. Fix CI grading 300 into 300 on top of the brick masonry with a cement concrete ratio of 1:2:4. Smoothen the concrete. The finished top level of the cover will be about 4 cm below the ground level. Check the gully and branch grain for pass through the outlet to entrap the silt from the gully trap. Periodically, the gully trap has to be cleaned. Construction of a manhole. By the end of this exercise, you will be able to read the drawing according to the work spot, excavate and lay cement concrete, construct a wall, provide benching and channeling, fix the footrest and plaster the wall and provide a CI cover. Let us now learn to construct a manhole. Excavate for the manhole as per the drawing. Read the drawing carefully to prepare the required materials. Lay the concrete as per the drawing. Prepare a cement concrete for the base in the proper chamber ratio of 1:5:10. Construct brickwork with cement mortar ratio of 1:4. Ensure that the internal wall is smooth. Ensure that the external joints are smooth. Ensure that the place joint and brickwork are leak-proof. Block the pipe to prevent entry to foreign material. Plaster the inside walls with a 12 mm thick cement plaster where cement to coarse ratio is 1:3. Provide channeling and benching with cement concrete ratio of 1:2:4 with 1 cement, 2 coarse sand and 4 stone with an aggregate of 20 mm. Use neat cement to ensure smoothness. The depth of the channel should be as per the drawing. Provide proper benching in the chamber. Embed the MS footrests in cement concrete block of 20 by 20 by 10 cm using cement concrete in the ratio of 1:3:6. Fix the footrest 40 cm apart, projecting 10 cm beyond the surface of the wall. This is in the case of a deep chamber. Paint the footrest with coal tar. Provide centering for the top cover. Fabricate and fix the reinforcement for the cover. Fix cast iron over the frame. Concrete the top cover. Cure the work. Remove centering and remove the block. Fix the manhole cover and seal the manhole cover with grease. In this video, we have discussed how to demonstrate an inspection chamber, demonstrate a manhole and demonstrate a gully trap. Hope you have a clear understanding of this session. Thank you all and see you again in the next video.